Building a website does not have to be complicated or time-consuming. At xCloud, using Templately AI, you can build a complete WordPress site with ready templates and content in just a few clicks. Templately is the ultimate templates cloud for WordPress, built by the same team behind WP Developer. It offers 6,500 plus ready-made templates for Elementor and Gutenberg, and is trusted by 500,000 plus users worldwide. Let's show you how. First, go to your xCloud dashboard, click on the New Site button to begin creating your WordPress site. Next, from the drop-down menu, select your server where you want to install the site. Since we are creating a brand new website, select the option to install New WordPress website. Next, you will see site creation methods. First is default, which allows you to build your site manually. The next option is Build with Templately AI, which allows to create a complete site with ready templates and AI-powered copies. Now choose Build with Templately AI button. Next, enter your site's basic information. Add your site title and include relevant tags of your site. Then you can choose the Go Live option for a production-ready site and the Demo Site option to create a site with a demo domain. Choose the option according to your preferences. If you select the Demo Site option, xCloud will automatically assign a temporary subdomain. Here you will find several configuration options, such as WordPress multi-site, indexing, full-page caching, and Redis page caching. You can also toggle on email provider configuration and get 100 free transactional emails with the xCloud Managed Email Service. You can also enable or disable backup of this site. After configuring everything, click on the Next button to start creating the site. After the site is created, you will get the option to build with Templately AI. Click on it to go to the Templately AI dashboard. Here you will be prompted to start chatting to create a website. The AI will now ask a few questions to showcase Templately ready templates and generate content for your website. Enter all information through conversations with AI and proceed to create the site. Next, you can choose and replace images according to your preferences. Now, AI will generate full website content automatically. After the site is generated, enter your site title, site tagline, and logo. Then click on the Style website. Here, you can adjust colors and typography to match your brand. Once everything looks good, click Confirm Setup to finalize your site setup and start making it live. Your WordPress website is now created instantly, and that's it. This is how easily you can create and customize a professional WordPress website using xCloud and Templately AI. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.